Here, show Aunt Sue how you do it. There we go. There's a D. No, that's upside down. Yep. There. There. No, upside down. Put the R in. Put the R in. Oops. No, that doesn't go there. You know where the R goes. That's not where the U goes. You can do it. Come do it. Come on, Mama, help you. Okay, here, I'm going to take the U. Yep, and remember it goes this way. And put that way. Nope, don't turn it upside down, goofball. Here. Nope, here, give Mama the U. Here, you put the R in. There, good job. Okay, now put the U in. Goes this way. There. Yay, Audra! You clap? Oh, we're going to do again, huh? Okay. Nope, upside down. Flip it. I know, you get so frustrated with that one, huh? There's a D. Yep. Get that U in. No, here. Give Mama the U. Okay. Remember? Yep. Remember? It goes... Whoops. Remember? Put the things in the hole there. Like that. You do it. Yeah!